I made a couple new discs this spring for the spring soaps. I have so many disc designs at this point that coming up with new stuff is a bit more challenging. And generally when I come up with a design, I have the disc I need to make that design. But anyways, I did want to have a new disc or two. So sat down, thought about it, and I came up with two ideas. One, the one I'm making today, are the goldfish. Whoops. Right side up. I don't even know what's, there we go. Right side? I don't know. Anyways, I have a small and a large in the 57mm, and then I have 24, 23, and 18. This is the 18, so that's a little dude. I'm just kind of making a goldfish. I did make some seaweed even though it is a goldfish. I felt like it, so I did. And where's my knife? Sorry about that. It's just a tad too long. So anyway, I wanted to just kind of do like a fish, a goldfish in water, and that is what I am doing. I'm using Brambleberry's Aquamarine Dream. It was a new fragrance that they introduced last year that I actually got to test out, and I liked it. So, and I think it kind of fits with the theme of this soap, so I'm using it again. And then right now I stick blended this. The fragrance actually is a fairly slow moving fragrance, which is great. Obviously I wanted my seaweed to stick, and when I pour the blue, for it to not punch through the sand, so that's why I stick blended it a bit to get it to thicken up. But I'm just putting the seaweed in, and then I'll go back, mix in the blue, and then I will pour that, and we'll add the fish in as I'm pouring. And then I think on top I'm going to add those little embellishments. So there you have it. I gotta go prep the blue, and then we'll come back and we'll start. I think I'm going to try pouring my Impressionistic technique for this, because I like work. But yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. Let me go prep the blue, and then we can get to the rest of this soap. top cute. So I have this loaf, which you can see has a much darker blue than this loaf. So I poured them separately. Like I mixed up the color for one loaf, and then I mixed up the color for the next loaf when I was ready for it. So I just wanted to make sure that I had the time, even though this fragrance doesn't accelerate. Well, when I was making this first loaf, the lighter one, I was like, that's a little too light. I want it a little darker. I'm gonna add a bit more black to my blue on the next one. So I did do that, but I added too much black, and so now it's much darker. That being said, I actually kind of like it, so I don't think I'm gonna mind, but let's cut it and see what the inside gives us. A little gap. Ugh, so frustrating. I was trying very hard not to get gaps, but it didn't quite make it under there. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. It's just annoying. Also, I put this fish in. I think I put both fish in. No, I guess it's not. This one's upside down. Oops. I tried so hard not to put them in upside down. Ugh. I mean, I don't think it's really, really obvious it's upside down, but it's obvious it's upside down. Wow. It's obvious because the two, you have one right and one wrong. How did I put it in upside down? Really, Jennifer? Like, really? So, the impressionistic technique is interesting in this. Not quite what I imagined it would be. That said, I actually think it's really cool, the swirls. So I'm not upset. I'm upset that my fish is upside down. Especially when I looked at it 5 times to make sure I put it in the right direction, and I still failed. We'll check the other loaf out and see if I messed up on that. Yeah, I guess he's doing backflips. Yeah, showing off, swimming upside down. We'll go with that. Okay, so it's cute. I put this fish upside down too. Wow. Okay, that's fine. I mean, you can make it work both ways, but I know which way's the right way and which way's not, so it bugs me. Okay, let's check out this one. Well, hey, look, the fish is the right side, right way up. He looks like he's dive bombing into the bottom, but that's okay. The dark is definitely, like, the color contrast is much more subtle. You can see between the two batches. Yep. Right side up, but dive bombing. Oh, that one's not as bad.